Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to add a pro-level blur transition to your Canva designs? Let me show you how. Click Create, select Videos, then choose a landscape video format. Next, go to Elements, type Ocean, and select Videos. Drag and drop deep ocean video clips into the slides for our page presentation. Choose only 3 and reduce the video duration accordingly. Add Match Move in transitions and increase its duration to finish faster. Set the transition to 2 seconds and click Apply to all scenes. Then, select each video, add the anime filter, blur it, and reduce the speed. Select each video, add a blur effect, and decrease the playback speed. Use both blur effect and blur animation on the videos as needed for desired visual impact. Preview the video to check it. This is how it appears on your screen. Click Share, then download to choose the video quality before saving. Now you know how to create smooth blur transitions in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more tips.